drums for the death metal band Astringency, based out of Lubbock, Texas. Um, right now I'm playing a Collision 5B stick, and really my favorite thing about the Collision drumstick brand as a whole is the durability of the product. Um, before I started playing Collision, breaking a stick in the middle of a show was a pretty regular and annoying occurrence. Um, Collision drumsticks are able to withstand the hard hitting that comes with playing extreme music. And just me personally, I've always been a hard hitter when playing drums, and Collision drumsticks really are able to stand up to that beating. Um, they're very durable, but at the same time, they're with the 5B, they're lightweight enough um, that really helps with the whole speed and endurance that comes with playing extreme music. And it's just been a really great fit for me. Um, the sales and support staff over at Collision are also some of the nicest people you'll ever meet. Whether you're needing help with a product decision, not really sure what you're wanting to get, you have questions about shipping, whether that be, international or over in the UK, or any kind of artist-related questions, they're always more than accommodating. They're just super nice people. Lastly, the Collision community is really unlike any other community I've ever been a part of. Um, being able to get a group of people together that have a similar interest and similar goals in mind, and being able to give them a community where they can grow their skills together as well as grow their connections with each other and in the music industry, that's really something special, and really something that I've only seen with Collision drumsticks. So I think that's really cool. So I'd like to give a big shout out to the entire team over at Collision Drumsticks, as well as everyone in the artist community. They've just been super great and super helpful with all this. So without further ado, here's a playthrough of the song Impetus Vitalis. This is from Astringency's second full-length album of Vacant Plains. It is available on all streaming platforms. So yeah, here it is.